Hey guys, I'm making a roasted bell pepper soup later, and so I need to roast these bell peppers and thought I would show you how I do it. It's pretty quick and easy to do at home. This way you're not buying jarred peppers that are in oil or have other spices or things. You just do it start to finish and know that it's just the bell pepper. If you have a gas stovetop, I do not, so I kind of made something up here. That's the easiest. What you would do is you would turn your flame on, and then use some tongs or something like that to hold the stem, or you can even just grip the pepper. And you're just going to, don't put your hand on the burner, pretend this is a burner. And you're just going to put it on there until it chars. Turn it on there, just keep spinning it around until it chars. Turn it around until it chars, and it doesn't take that long to do. So it's black on all sides, and then I'll show you what you do after it's black on all sides. Now, in my oven, I have, let me move my burner out of the way, one that I already started. Let me grab, so I'm going to put that on. Okay, let me show you what I have in the oven. I have one that's almost done and one that is done. So, for the pepper that's almost finished, it's black on one side, so I'm just going to turn it, put the red side up, and stick that back in the oven. For the pepper that is black on all sides, just like if you charred it on your stovetop, put it in a bowl or something like that. I'm just going to tuck it all in. And then I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap. It's not going to touch the pepper, so if you're nervous about the plastic touching your food, it's not going to. I have it tucked in the bowl. Of course, I didn't find the end of my plastic wrap before I started my video. Here we go. Alright, and we're just going to leave that. So you just have it covered. We're just going to leave that to sit for about 5 minutes. Let me throw this other one back in the oven so it will start, so it will continue to get black on that side. I'm going to leave this for about 5 minutes, and then I'll show you what I will do next. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Here's our bowl. So I'm going to take the plastic wrap off, pull our pepper out, and then a lot of people will just use paper or something to pull these charred pieces off. You can see they just peel off quite easily. Depending on what you're using your bell pepper for is, I guess, how you'll treat it. First, you want all this black off. Now that I said it's easy, I might have a little bit of a trick there. Let's see. Pull it off. The plastic on it just loosened up the skins to help them come off easily. You can see some steam coming off. It's still kind of hot. You may want to use a fork or some tongs or something to pull it off, but it's really not that bad. Okay, so I think I got all the charred skins off. Now I'm going to cut it open. You can see it's pretty juicy, and you can see all the seeds. Can you see that? So I just cut it open. You can see the seeds right there. You can see some steam coming off. So I'm just going to pull that off. I didn't even need my knife. Scrape those seeds out. There we go. So now I have my roasted bell pepper. It even fell apart into some strips. I'm using this in a soup, and so I don't really need it cut. But if you were wanting to put it on a salad or something like that, then you could just cut thin slices. The roasting brings out the sugars, and so it makes it really sweet and gives it some depth of flavor. I just love roasted peppers. And then this way we know it doesn't have all of the oils and things that we don't want. This is just plain bell pepper, and it's natural sweetness and deliciousness. Nothing added. I don't have to worry about anything, preservatives or anything. Anyway, here are our peppers. Enjoy.